Hi there. If we haven't met, I'm Ellen from Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. Today I'm showing you 9 super helpful Safari tips that can make your browsing easier, safer, and a lot more enjoyable, whether you're reading news, checking recipes, or shopping online. If you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Let's say you're reading a news article in Safari and the page is full of flashing ads or videos. This can be distracting. Just tap the reader view icon in the address bar. So this is the reader view icon. Just tap on that. Some options will appear. Choose Show Reader. It strips the page down to just the texts and images that you want to see, nice and clean. This is especially helpful for longer articles or if your eyes get tired easily. You can even change the background to another color. So if I tap on the reader view icon again, now I have some other options. I can go back to the normal page by tapping Hide Reader, or I can choose a different background that it will help make my reading of this article easier. So another extra tip, this view works best on article-style pages like news, blogs, or recipes. While you're in Reader View, you'll see 2 A's, one small, one large. Tap the bigger A to increase the text size so that you don't strain your eyes when you're reading. You can try it out and find out which size works best for you. And Safari also remembers your preferred size on certain websites. It won't do it for all websites, but on certain ones, it will remember the size that you chose. To get out of Reader View, if I tap on the icon, I can choose Hide Reader View, and it takes me back to the normal web page. If you're looking for something specific like a recipe ingredient or a certain name inside of an article, tap the Share button. It looks like a square with an arrow. Scroll down and tap on Find on Page. Type in the word that you're looking for. I've already done that. Tap on Search, and Safari will highlight all of the words in the ingredient. This is a big time saver when reading long pages. If you want to customize Safari's start page, you'll need to open a new tab. To do that, you'll tap on the overlaid squares, tap on the plus sign, scroll to the very bottom, and tap on Edit. So right now, this is what the Safari page looks like. I have favorites, reading list, iCloud tabs. I'm going to go ahead and tap on Edit. And now I can remove sections that I don't use, like Shared with You, or maybe Suggestions. I could also remove iCloud tabs. And when I'm finished, now it gives me a cleaner look. It makes Safari more like your internet space where I have my favorites and then my reading list. So you can give Safari a cleaner look on the home page. Turn off what you don't need to make your screen simpler. If you like to keep multiple websites open, maybe recipes, travel, and news, you can create tab groups. We'll tap on the Tabs button, which is the 2 squares that are overlapping. Then we'll tap on the icon that looks like stacked lines. And then we're going to tap on New empty tab group. We'll give that tab group a name. I'll name it recipes. We'll tap on save. And now you'll see that there's a home page created here. I want to add a recipe to this, so I'm going to tap where I have 22 tabs, and I'm going to locate that recipe that I had. If I push and hold on it, you'll see an option to move tab. I can select recipes, and now when we look down below, I have the 21 tabs. I have an option for recipes and tech and vacations. So these are all the tab groups that I have available to me. When you're finished, you can tap on done. If you want to get back to your tab groups, just tap on the tab icon and swipe through them. And this way you have the option to keep things neatly organized and able to get to your tab groups quickly by just tapping on the overlapping square and rotating through. Here's a bonus tip. Tab groups sync across your devices if you also use an iPad or Mac. Sometimes you might land on a page that's in an other language. No worries, Safari can help. Tap the reader icon in the address bar and then choose Translate to English if it's available. This feature is built right in and can be very handy if you're researching travel or health topics. Not every site can be translated, but many common ones can. To protect your privacy and keep your browsing experience clean, go to Settings, scroll to the bottom, and tap on Apps. Tap on the S on the far right-hand side. Now tap on Safari and make sure that block pop-ups is turned on, as well as prevent cross-site tracking. These settings help block annoying pop-ups and stop websites from following your online activity. You only need to do this once. It'll stay on. While we're inside the Safari settings area, every now and then it's a good idea to clean things up. You'll want to go ahead and clear history and website data. This erases old websites and can help Safari run more smoothly. Don't worry, it doesn't delete your saved passwords. This also helps if Safari starts to feel slow. So just remember, tap on Clear Website, Data and History, and go ahead and do that every once in a while. Want to quickly get to a site that you visit frequently, like maybe your online bank or a blog or any site that you visit often? Open that website in Safari, tap the Share button, which is the square with the up arrow, scroll down until you see Add to Home Screen, tap on that. You can adjust the wording if you want to. If I wanted to remove some of the things, I could do that. Go ahead and tap Add. It creates an app-like icon on your home screen so that it's just one tap away. This is great for frequently visited sites that you visit, like maybe your library or a tech blog that you visit often. And that's it. These 9 Safari tips can make a big difference in how easy and enjoyable it is to browse the web on your iPhone or iPad. Take your time trying them out. You don't need to remember everything at once. Just pick 1 or 2 to start. Which tip did you find most useful? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.